All right, bring it back another 2 feet. Clear on the left, keep coming.
Water quality levels are stable. Confirmed. The automated system is performing optimally.
The new mix is distributing evenly.
Yes, and the intake rate is optimal across all groups.
The distribution metrics are stable after the adjustment.
Good. The feed quality is consistent across the line.
Easy now, move along. Step right in there, nice and steady.
All right, team, let's move efficiently. Check vitals on this one.
Preparing the ultrasound now.
The data confirms the excellent body condition score, doctor.
Yes, and the ultrasound images look very clean. Let's schedule the next checkup. All examination results are satisfactory. The bulls meet the required health standards.
Confirmed. Updating the livestock management reports now.
The thickness is exactly 2.2 millimeters right here. Confirmed. That meets the production standard. We can tag it as approved.
Check the alignment on the handle pieces.
Yeah. They match the blueprint exactly.
Scan complete. All parameters are good. Excellent. I will move these to the assembly line.
How does the structure look on this one?
It's perfect. The symmetry is exact. We can move it to packing.
Scan complete. Material density is optimal.
Excellent. Move these to the luxury line staging area.